Hi guys, I'm going to show you a property in Arnuide. Arnuide is a very small village in Orense. It has around 200-250 inhabitants. It's half an hour by car from Orense, which is the capital of the province, and around 1 hour and a half from the international airport of Vigo and Santiago de Compostela. The house needs restoration, and the house includes the furniture and a plot of land with a barn. This is like the oldest part, made with natural stone, granite. I believe this wood is chestnut wood, very traditional here in Galicia. That's the diesel deposit, I think, for the water heater. And here we have the old bodega, you know, where we they used to keep the wine. There's almost no light. Okay, now let's go to the upper part of the house. So on the right hand side we have the dining room. Then we have the kitchen with a really old iron-made kitchen, which is this one. There's one bathroom. The sitting room. Again, as I said, all the furniture that may interest the buyer is included in the price. Another bedroom. And this is the third bedroom. Very nice balcony. And over there you can see the barn that is included in the property with a plot of land. Now we are going to see the small garden. It has a shape of a triangle. We're going to the end, to the limit. Now over there you can see like a prairie where building is not allowed because it's terrain very close to the river, a very beautiful river called Arnoia. which has really clear crystal waters. So this is the land included, and we are going to show you now the barn and the rest of the land. This is a vineyard. And as I said, the other part of the property is like 1 minute walking. These trees are mixed. One is a chestnut tree, and the other two, I think they are walnut trees. There's a small hórreo, which is a traditional construction in Galicia. This one is made of wood, and it was used for keeping the grain. This is the barn. This can be, of course, be used for making a completely new house with 2 stories, a ground floor and a main floor. We know that because we did a consultation with a legal services company. And the bigger piece of land is here behind the barn. It's like a very big triangle. The limit, I wouldn't say, I'm sure it's just over there where the trees start. And it's quite long, as you can see, and the limit is over there by the trees as well.